DIY beach cover-up. Easy steps to create your own stylish swimwear wrap. Part 1.
For this tutorial, we will need fabric, elastic, measuring tape, scissors, pins, fabric marker, it's optional. Let's create a cover-up dress for the beach. I'm using this very nice white, little bit stretchy fabric. It doesn't need to be stretchy, but it folds nicely and heavily, and it's lovely for the breeze. So you need to measure yourself from the shoulder down to where you want the dress to finish, probably just a little bit above the knee. Just make sure you leave some allowance for a seam allowance, and also I'm not cutting over the shoulder, so it's the whole bit. So you just need to fold the fabric into, place it a little bit above the shoulders and measure the length. Then you need to see, depending how big the dress would be, I hold the fabric, and with an open arms you decide where the sleeve you want to finish. Ours is going to finish a little bit just around the elbow area, a little bit after, but again make sure you allow some seam allowance. And it is a very simple project. I haven't done it before, but we'll do it together. What I will do, I'm going to do the seams. This one doesn't actually fray. Ideally what I wanted to do is to crochet a lace and to make it much more prettier, but as the time is pushing, I'm not sure if I'll be able to. So what I'll do, I'm going to do a seam on both sides like that, so we can do all the way around, all the way at the bottom, everywhere we can just do the seam allowance. And then we will have to cut the neck area and we'll work our way through. Let's do it. So we're going to start with the long side. We just fold it 1/2 centimeter and then 1/2 centimeter, and then we'll just do a nice straight seam. So we have all the edges done. Now I'm putting them together and I will pin them so I can have them straighten. So what we'll do later, it's up to you how much you want to sew from the edge. We will do a straight line across here so this can stay open, and we'll leave the rest as a sleeve falling down. And then once we've done these two edge and this one, we will put elastic in the middle and we will cut some opening for the head. But let's just pin this first. And let's see the middle for the head. And this will be the middle. So what you can do is either do it like a pointy opening or a circle opening. It's up to you. Just make the front little bit lower and tiny bit from the back. So I'm going to measure like 4.5 inches, and here 9, and probably 5 inches lower. So we'll do this for the head. So I will cut only the top layer. Now see, I may do lace around the neck, but not sure. And here we'll do very tiny bit like that. So this will be the neck bit. Okay, this is the opening for the head. So as now we've got it, you can measure it and check where to finish these two seams. Depending where you want it to stop, but you can try it now. We're going to try it now and see, and then I'll come back. So we decided that we're going to do it. We'll sew 3-inch in, and we'll finish here. So this bit will be left for the nice and loose sleeve. And then we will put in the middle elastic. We'll do it equal on the other side. So we'll sew both sides down, and then we'll do the elastic. So the elastic, I would advise to put it a little bit lower, so then it can go nicely on the waist, and this can go further. Just have a little bit like that to come over, and then if you grow or if you want to pull it down, it can go down. You can use any elastic. I have 1.2 millimeters is my elastic. So what I'll do to make it nice and shrink, I may actually use this, and then it opens up. I'll measure it, so when we pull it, then it can go like that. It will be pretty. So you can measure on your waist, and then we can zigzag it here, and then we'll place it, and then when we do the zigzag, we'll pull it up.